Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. As all of you know, Masterminds is a leading CA coaching institution in South India. Every year we back around 16 to 18,000 admissions. So that shows the confidence students put on us. Now today I'm excited to introduce the success story of a student called Ram Sarik. So when I gone through the article, I really got excited. So let me explain you first briefly what are his achievements. Meet the CA who went from failing CA foundation multiple times to passing finals in the first attempt. Actually, he took 3 attempts to qualify his CA foundation. He was able to qualify his CA foundation in third attempt, and but he was able to clear his CA final in first attempt itself. Now, another interesting thing is his past. Hi, I am Ram Sarik, a chartered accountant from India and a seasoned financial professional. I was a below average student in school. So please underline, he himself admitting that he was a below average student in school who secured only 47% in grade 12 exams. So it's not being told by him modestly, but it is being evident in his previous performance also. He just got 47% in his grade 12 exams. Also, growing up a little lower middle class family made life more challenging. I think it's an asset. Belonging to lower middle class family is an asset for him because that will create a lot of burning desire in him. So that will show him the need to qualify CA course as early as possible. In 2002, I got know about chartered accountancy course and registered only to fail 2 times in my first level of CA exam. Earlier it used to be called as CPT. Now the first level of exam is used to be called as CA Foundation. So in 2002 he enrolled for this course and he failed 2 times in that CPT exam. Now it's called as CA Foundation. Erstwhile it used to be called as CPT. I was made fun of. It happens to everyone, and everyone told me to quit. So that's where he has done a good thing. He did not listen to those words. He did not quit, and he has analyzed the reasons for his mistake, reasons for his failure, and tried to rectify those mistakes and got qualified in CA final with flying colors in the first attempt itself. But I wanted to give myself one last chance. Fast forward in 2008, I cleared my CA final in the first attempt. 2002, he qualified, he joined in CA Foundation. By 2008, he cleared his CA final. That means in 6 years of span, he was able to clear his entire CA course. It's not a big deal. Normal duration itself is around 4.5 years. Since he got delayed in CA Foundation, he was able to clear everything in another 1.5 years. Here is my story, how being committed to goal transformed my life. So, the major reason he is saying for his success is commitment. What we can learn from this story? It's not a tough task to qualify CA course because he was just a mediocre student at his intermediate level. When he is able to qualify CA, why can't others? Anyone can dream big and achieve the same. So what is required is guts to dream big and lot of hard work to achieve the same. Wish is different from burning desire. What is required is burning desire. Normal wish is not sufficient. He got that burning desire. Might be since he belonged to a lower middle class family, he knows very well how the poverty will be and how important it is for him to qualify CA. Might be that is the best lesson that he might have learned. Only thing required is burning desire to work hard and achieve the goals. Students shall not get disappointed with negative results. So we have seen several students who quit this course in just by getting a negative result in one attempt itself. But look at him. So he continued the CA course even after he failed in CPT examination twice. So students shall not get disappointed with negative result in 1 or 2 attempts. It happens to everyone. So try to analyze the reasons for your mistakes and rectify them, and you will never fail in this course. Students shall always fix higher level of targets and push themselves to achieve the same. Don't get satisfied with what we have achieved. He was able to qualify his CA foundation in third attempt. He did not get satisfied with the same. And he has put a new target of qualifying CA final in the first attempt itself. Push the boundaries and work hard to achieve the same. It is not your past that is going to decide your future. It is your present which will decide your future. So forget about past. Even we can learn this from his success story. He forgot about his failure in CA foundation and dreamt of qualifying CA final in the first attempt itself. So forget about past and work hard for future. Why you should qualify CA? If you have answered for this question, then I don't think that you will fail in any of the levels of CA course. And same rules will apply to other professional courses studying students also. So we shall definitely learn a lot from him, and all the students, I wish all the students to take this as a motivation, take him as a role model and try to learn from him. Never quit the course. Push hard, know the reasons for your failures and rectify the same. One day you are sure to qualify the course. All the best.